Ferrari. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Blow out the brain. I go insane, insane. I drop a check on the chain. Fuck up a check in the flame. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset.
Hey my boos, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I am your favorite girl, A.MaRee. Today we're gonna do a PR unboxing. Yes, I got my first PR package and I am super excited to let you guys know I am now a brand ambassador for Pure Royalness hair company and MinkLashes. So if you are new here and you would like to join the family, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell and hashtag D4L Gang in the comment section below, along with any other comment or question you have, and become a part of the family, girl. I'm just telling you, it's lit over here, and I'm a brand ambassador, so you will see a lot of things from me and this company. I'm super excited. So let's not make this intro too long. Let's go ahead and get into this PR unboxing. So my package came in this white bag, and it comes in this beautiful purple lace bag, and it also has the Pure Royalness hair company and how to contact them, and you can find them on Facebook at pureroyalnesshair.company and on Instagram at pureroyalness.co. So I will have all their information linked down below. Make sure you go check them out. Make sure you follow them. Make sure you follow our lives. There's a lot of girls. We will be doing a lot of lives. They have been doing a lot of lives. I'm just now getting on board. So I want you guys to come along and support us and me as well. And y'all are going to start seeing a lot of videos, a lot of posts, a lot of everything for this company. So they do have a card, and it says Slay with Royalty, Mink 3D Lashes, Pure Royalness Hair.co. Cards are very, very cute. So I did get a couple of items for my very first PR list, and I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys. I did get the Royal Glitz, and it is 3 different glitters, and I really don't want to take them apart because I like the way it came stickered, but it's Royal Glitz. So we have 3 shades. Let's go ahead and take this off. Oh, it's so cute. This is cute. So this one is a pink shade. Oh, and they don't have names on it. But this is a pigment, a loose pigment, and it's a pink shade. Very, very, very pretty. And y'all, I can't wait to do looks with this. And then they have a gold glitter. Hey, you guys. Y'all, I'm like set for life with glitters and pigments. And then we have this pretty green one,
and it has gold reflex in
I just kind of poured it all out on my desk here, but it's all right, whatever, it's okay. So I do have 2 glitters and 1 pigment. I do have those 3 stacks, and I can't wait to try it. So the next thing I got are these brown penny contacts. It's by BAYTOWN soft contact lenses. Very cute. I can't wait to try them. So cute. You guys can't even see them. I don't know what's up with my camera today, but it does come with the contacts and a case. Here's the case. Here's my 2 contacts, and I will be wearing these shortly. These contacts are called Penny, and they are brown. Love the packaging as well. And then what I'm super excited for is these lashes. Like, y'all, the lashes are so cute. It's MinkLashes, and these are in Royal Forgiveness. Are these lashes, which are dope. They are so cute. And I love the way they come packaged. Oh, so pretty. Let me show y'all. Yes, boo. So these next ones are Royal Fresh. And they're MinkLashes as well. And this is the last product I got. But, ooh, look at these, y'all. Yes, dope. Dope, 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 dope. Yes. So, I just wanted to let y'all know that these were all sent to me as PR. And I do have a coupon code, so if y'all check down below, go to their website and use my coupon code DIAMOND with no S to get y'all some coins off, because whoop whoop, y'all will get y'all some coins off. And they do have hair, they have bundles and wigs, they have a whole lot more pigments and a lot of different shades of color contacts, which are so pretty. I already put my order in for 2 other pairs of contacts because I don't want to wait. I want them. So that is it for my PR unboxing. Yes, your girl. Yes, yes, yes. PR unboxing. So really quick, while we're doing this, and the only reason why I'm showing it is because a couple of these items I will be using in the next video for the first impressions. So I just wanted to go ahead and throw it in there and show you guys a couple of things that I just picked up. I did pick up the Juvia's Place Warriors palette. Yes. And I'm pretty sure everybody done seen this because it's Juvia's Place. But I absolutely love the packaging. I love the way she always does her girls. They are always so freaking beautiful. And this palette looks like this. And I'm showing it because I will be using it today. So I did pick up that. So now I want to show you guys my BoxyCharm because I will be using some things in here for my first impressions. And of course this one is for the month of June. If y'all do not have BoxyCharm, please make sure to get on BoxyCharm because it's $21 a month and you get full-size products. I think it's like up to like 6 products, 7 products, and it's all full size. So I did get the Cover FX blurring primer, and I am going to be trying this today because a lot of the Cover FX stuff that I've been getting from BoxyCharm I have been liking, and this one it retails for $38 and this box alone is $21. So there you go right there. This is $38 and the whole box is $21, so that's a win already. So it's a lightweight, the primer, it's a lightweight soft focus primer that blurs out the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. So I want to try that. Y'all don't ask me what that was about. Okay, so I don't even know how to pronounce this. Artisca, I think it's called Artisca P12, and this is a face brush. It's synthetic fibers that allow the maximum control. The P12 brush is perfect for creating seamless looks, and this one go ahead and retails for $27. See what I'm saying? I think I would use this for a highlighting brush though. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I don't know about a face powder, but it's tapered and it's very, well, maybe a blush brush or highlighting brush, because it's not big enough for a face powder for me in my eyes, but it is kind of bent up. But it seems to be really cute. Maybe it'll come in handy. And I did get the Artisca 3-piece, which comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tapered eyeliner brush. And it is using a variety of looks from dramatic cat eye to a brow brush, and this alone retails for $45. Next item I got is this gel eyeliner, which is called the ink, and it comes like this. Y'all, this looks like the old school penman ink that used to be used back in the day. I don't know what it's called, but it's like liquid ink that you dip your pen in and then write. That's what it reminds me of. Oh, it's called Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner. It's highly pigmented and it's a gel eyeliner, quick drying application, and rich vitamin C. Condition for the lids is creamy, water resistant formula, allows smooth application that stays in place all day. And this alone retails for $24. So the next one is gonna be healthy and natural, and it's called Hand Skin Care Cosmetics. It's an all natural lip gloss, and this is in the shade Raspberry Chardonnay. The Pure Sculpture palette. Y'all, I've been liking Pure lately too. And this is a 4-shade sculpting palette to feature 2 highlight beams, highlights, and 2 matte contour shades that leave skin sculpted in perfection with highly pigmented buttery formula. And this alone retails for $30. We'll try it. And the 2 highlights look like that. Okay, I think I will go with this one before that one. This one I may put on the tip of my nose and my eyebrow bone, and then this one all over the place. And it kind of, they smell like chocolate or vanilla. So that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If y'all have any questions or concerns, or just want to comment down below and tell your girl she look cute, either way it go, I want to hear from y'all. Go ahead and comment down below, and I want y'all to check out the hot box for any information you may be looking for, and be on the lookout, because right after this video, no later, right after this video, you will see this video, and then you will see my makeup video. So be on the lookout for that, and that is coming right now, really next. Yes, thank you Pure Royalness Hair Company for making your girl a brand ambassador. Thank you. I just want to say thank you, and I appreciate everything. I'm glad that y'all seen something in me that I have been basically missing in myself, and I plan on being with the company for a lifetime. So let's do some business together and let's stay litty. What? Okay, let's get it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my first impressions. Love you. Bye.